This is a usability test sprint done by Emmett, Hiji, and Maggie. Just a quick overview of our project. We tested the usability test of Canon PowerShot A430, which is an old digital camera. We tested each of 3 participants with 3 tasks measured by 3 metrics. The usability test was executed in group study room number 3 in Foster Business Library in Picard Hall. Our choice of user group was college students aged between 18 and 20. We selected this group because they were easy to approach and user group of similar age could lead to a more meaningful result. So the tasks of our choice were finding the filters option and take a picture because it is a feature that is not directly displayed on the device. We thought it could be harder for the user to find for the first time. Also taking a video because the label for this feature was not clear, and zooming in and out because we thought this feature was hard to find due to its unusual location. The metrics of our choice were time taken to complete each of 3 tasks to measure the efficiency of the functions of the camera, and difficulty with each of the 3 tasks out of 10 to measure how difficult it was for the users to use features of the camera, and just thoughts and comments to measure the user satisfaction with the camera and see how the users felt about the usability test. For the task 1, participants took a little bit longer than for other tasks, and difficulty rated were 10 out of 10 and 6 out of 10, and they thought it was hard to find locations of features, and it took time because of bad labels, and they couldn't tell where anything was. And for task 2, participants took a little bit less time than task 1, and then the difficulty rated were 2 out of 10 and 1 out of 10, and their thoughts were that labels were confusing. It could be touch screen and labels were okay, and the wheel on the top was intuitive. For the task 3, they took short amount of time, and then difficulty rated were 1 out of 10 and 0 out of 10, and they thought the label was clear, the magnifying glass label was helpful, and then participant 3 actually accidentally found this from doing previous tests. Just a one side note, the errors in the camera may have influenced the results because the camera kept asking users to set date and time, and memory card error made taking pictures impossible, so they had to just pretend. Suggested improvements are a bigger screen, touchscreen, better labels for the functions, lighter product, and to improve visibility by showing features on the screen. This is just a conclusion, and thanks for watching.